Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is Emily with Potter Instructional Design, and we have a quick tutorial today teaching you how to add captions to your videos in Articulate Rise. Let's get started.
Let's learn how to add closed captions in Articulate Rise in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Use a website, such as Subly or HappyScribe, to create your subtitles and export them as a VTT file. Step 2. Go to the video block in your Rise course and click Edit, Edit again, and Manage Captions. Step 3. Select the language of your subtitles and upload your VTT file. Congratulations, you're finished! Now the video in your e-learning course is equipped with closed captions that can be turned on or off by the user. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit us at tpotterdesign.com for more.